We are at the dessert place on Edison. Be fresh. So it's more like a dessert, Asian dessert. You order and then you pick up and a self-service. This is what we order. Pudding, kale mochi milkshake ice that have like almond pudding, caramel pudding, mini taro ball, kale mochi jelly noodle, ice cream. So there's so many stuff here for $12.80. And we also tried out the purple white soup number 5, which contains kidney beans, taro ball, rice ball with coal. And finally we ordered this one, seasonal mango berry milkshake ice, which has mango, strawberry, and ice cream. So this is the purple rice. There should be some mochi on it. Yeah, there you go. You see some mochi. What else? Kidney beans, gluten, mochi as well. See all this mochi right here. So they put everything, the ingredient at the bottom instead of top. Not bad at all. Not too sugary, and it's very a lot of bean flavor. It's very refreshing though. I love this. Typical Asian dessert, not sweet at all. So this one is mango strawberry shaved ice, seasonal. Again, they put all the ingredient at the bottom. All you see is the shaved ice. Okay, now here you go. Shaved ice. You see the ice cream strawberry there? I dropped something on the table. So the strawberry is more like a syrup strawberry, and have an ice cream there. The mango is good. So again, the ice itself is just plain regular ice. There's no flavor on the ice, so you need to mix it.
Mix it.
You need to mix it in order to taste not too plain on the ice. So some Korean places dessert, the ice has flavor. So this one doesn't have flavor, just plain water, and that's it. You see all the flavor? It's all down here. So make sure you mix it if you ever go. Mix it. All those, they have mango meat here. The mango is very sweet, tasty. The mango is very good. It's very sweet. So yeah, so make sure you mix it. Put all the juice at the bottom on top before you start eating. But overall, it's good. I think it's worth the price for $12.80. And lastly, we try this one. This is the pudding kale mochi milkshake ice. So let's see. Again, top is ice. They put like syrups on it. And you can see different color. There's an ice cream here. There's a scoop of ice cream. Let me see. I think the ice cream itself is not vanilla. I think it's milk. It tastes like very milk flavor. It's not typical vanilla ice cream, so it's definitely something special here. I wish they do something opposite where they put the ice at the bottom and then you put all the ingredient on top. The presentation doesn't look that good, but when you taste it, it's very good. You see, there's also the pudding. There should be a lot of ingredient too, like kale mochi. Everything is in the bottom. It's just like so hard to scoop it right now. The pudding is a regular like almond pudding. You can taste the very strong almonds. And this is some grass jelly. I think it's jelly. This little cute little small little jelly noodle. The jelly noodle is kind of chewy. It tastes like mochi, but it's very interesting. They should have a lot of stuff inside. Inside they should have some mochi ball, but again, you have to scoop it at the bottom, which I don't like. They have a lot of stuff. It's just at the bottom. Oh, there you go. Here's the mochi ball. It's so big giant mochi ball. There we go. Oh, look at this noodle. Now it got longer. you're eating like pasta, you know? I'm eating pasta shaved ice. Surprisingly, the mochi, when it's cold, is not hard. You're still like able to have the chewy texture. I love it. Oh, the other one yellow is caramel. This is the almond pudding and then caramel pudding. So I feel like compare this two, I like this better because they have more flavor. This one's only 2 flavor with ice cream. This has like tons of jelly, 2 types of pudding. They have like mochi, and they should have taro ball, but everything is just like down inside. You have to like dig in to find it. Oh, there you go, another one. There we go. This is another jelly noodle, grass jelly. Now this grass jelly tastes like tapioca flavor. Has a very strong like brown sugar taste. Yeah. There you go. There's some more stuff here. This tiny little pie, like I don't know what they are. I think this has more interesting. Different types of ingredients add together become milky shaved ice. Look at all this big giant piece of pudding. So big. I think they gave me the whole almond pudding, the whole thing. And this one is more like refreshing fruity taste, and this one is more focused on like milky taste. And of course this one is like a bean taste, that's sugary. So yeah. Now we get to the bottom more. You just see a lot of ingredient. There's so many mangoes, so many strawberries. So everything is in the bottom. And this, by the way, the ice cream here is also milk ice cream, not vanilla. I'm still trying to scoop it out. Oh, look at this. I feel like having a hard time scooping things out. Oh wow, so many stuff, so many noodle. Look at this. Oh wow. There's all the stuff at the bottom. Look at this. Wow. There we go. It's definitely worth the try to eat here. Something different shaved ice. Here. It's very big. It's almost my hand size. And this one for like $14.50. And $2 more because you get all the fresh ingredients, like all the mango, strawberry. But overall, it's still good too, even though they're using strawberry syrup and mango syrup on top of it. Again, the ice is just a pink regular ice. I wish that flavor on it would be even more perfect. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.